Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript from documentation. Start by exploring the official MDN web docs, which is a primary resource. Pay close attention to the table of contents and navigation to quickly find what you need. Focus on understanding the basic syntax and core concepts first, then gradually move to more complex topics. Always try out the code examples yourself to solidify your understanding. When diving into documentation, prioritize foundational elements like data types, variables, and functions. Don't get overwhelmed by advanced features initially. Make good use of the search bar to pinpoint exact methods or properties you're curious about. Sometimes, looking at multiple examples or explanations from different parts of the documentation can provide a clearer picture. This approach helps build a strong knowledge base. The best way to learn is by doing. After reading about a concept, immediately try to implement it in a small coding project. When you encounter errors, use the documentation to understand the error messages and find solutions. This practical application reinforces your learning significantly. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to see how others use JavaScript and to get real-world experience. JavaScript is constantly evolving, so make it a habit to revisit documentation for updates and new features. Engaging with developer communities, like forums or Discord groups, can provide valuable insights and help you solve tricky problems. Remember, continuous learning is key to mastering any programming language. Also, for those who love to learn on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.